You can quote the price of diesel to the penny, but can you say what your truck actually costs you per mile? That one number is the floor under every load you book, and most owner-operators are guessing at it. The Owner-Operator Trucking Ops Workbook turns a glove box of receipts and a phone full of rate confirmations into one clear operating picture. Your cost per mile has two halves. Fixed costs run whether the truck rolls or sits, the payment, the insurance, the plates. Variable costs burn by the mile, fuel above all, then maintenance, tires, and tolls. Add a year of both, and then build in the pay you actually need to live on, because your wage is a cost, not the leftovers. The workbook does the math for you. Enter your costs, your miles, and your target pay, and it returns two numbers: your break-even, what it takes just to keep the truck running, and your all-in cost per mile, the rate you must average to pay yourself. That is your floor, and now you can measure every rate against it. Then there is IFTA. The log keeps the two numbers it needs, your miles by state and your gallons by state, in one place all quarter. It works out your fleet mileage, the taxable and net gallons for each jurisdiction, and at the rate you enter, the tax you owe or the credit you are due. Filing becomes a 5-minute read-off instead of a shoebox panic. The load log answers the question that really matters. Did the haul make money? It applies your cost per mile to every mile, loaded and empty. So a great rate with 100 deadhead miles on each end can't fool you. One row per load, and you see the revenue per mile, the cost, and the profit on every single one. If you run under a carrier, your pay comes as a settlement, gross pay with a stack of deductions taken out first. The settlement log tracks each one, from gross all the way down to the real net that lands in your account, so you catch the month the deduction quietly doubles. And the dashboard pulls it all together. Total miles, total revenue, your net, and the one number to grow. The spread between your revenue per mile and your cost per mile. That spread, kept positive across enough miles, is what a profitable truck actually looks like. Best of all, it's a file you own, not an app you rent. Buy it once, keep it forever, in Excel, Google Sheets, or LibreOffice, with no per-load fees and no subscription. Find it on Ardent Workshop or Etsy, and try the free cost per mile calculator first. Know your number, price every load, and get paid for the miles you run.